Hey folks, welcome to Faulkner Fixes All. Yeah, we're gonna stop welding and grinding and doing table work. We're at a point where we're gonna go have some fun because we are so done with these tables for now anyway. That one's not done. That one under the plastic is done. Under that little cardboard piece is the top for this one. Anyway, that's the update on those. But today we're gonna go take a bike ride. And you know, when you work on a bike, like I worked on this one, a few videos back, we took this fender off and re-straightened it and redid some of the rivets and egged out the holes a little bit to make it more concentric. And that's all great, but we never tested the bike after that. And I'm about to go ride it. We're about to load up and go down to Bent Creek, so it's a good time to test it before you go. Like when you work on your truck or car, you make sure like what you just did is going to work. So even though we did this a few videos back, we're going to go test this and really put it through we're going to go hit some burn piles on our street just to make sure nothing's rubbing. I mean, it looks okay. We did a pretty good job on it. We straightened it out pretty well. We didn't straighten this front one though. I'm getting to that. It's not loose, but it is banged in pretty bad. That'll probably be the next fender video. Anyway, this one turned out pretty good. If you look back, I'll try to put a link in the description when we took this all apart. It was really bad. And you know, it's fair now. It's a rider. You know, this isn't a show bike. I don't think I even have a show bike actually. Yeah. If I did, I'd probably pour some vinegar on it for sure. So yeah, we're going to test this one out. And it's funny, it is now September of 2025, and this bike was built in September of 1965. I didn't do the born on date. I probably could punch in the actual sequence number and get the born on date, but I didn't. You know, 60 years is close enough. The bike is 60 years old this month. For sure. I might do the born on date. I could punch in this number that's back there. And actually, this is a racer. It's not really a collegiate. If you see, I did a no-no here. I put all Schwinn stuff on, 5-speed shifter, and I trimmed the chain guard so it would work. That's kind of a no-no. It is a racer, but it's not really a racer anymore. It's a modified racer. This chain guard should be different. It should have a tab that goes out a little bit to a shortened chain guard that says collegiate if it was a 5-speed. Anyway, it's our little secret. Don't tell anybody. Anyway, we're gonna put this little pad on the seat. These seats are great. They look wonderful. You know, like here's a really nice one over here. Here's one my buddy Larry Brightwell gave me, traded me kind of. And it's really good condition. That one might even still be comfortable, but what happens is the foam just rots out of them and falls out from the bottom. And I think you could probably even look up in this one, and I don't think there's even much foam left. Oh, yes, there's some melted stuff. Yeah, there's some stuff coming out of there right now, actually. Here's some right there. Yeah. Yeah, it's... They look great with the bike, and they're wonderful and all, and they're stylish, and they should have an S here, and this part should be white. But they're extremely uncomfortable. So we're going to put this pad on here. It's okay. It doesn't fit that good. It does offer some support. If you're taking a long ride, I had this seat down for another person that was using it briefly. But yeah, I mean, it looks goofy. But hey, these seats are real busters, man. They just not very comfy, and they look great. But on a decent ride, this seat cover isn't the best anymore either. On a decent ride, you are going to feel it, you know. And let's go test this thing out right now. I'm going to put my helmet on. I'm going to bring you guys along because we did, you know, change this fender. And I don't want to get out there and, you know, I don't want to get out there and have issues with, you know, without my shop of tools and stuff hanging out. Like, you know, It's a great time to test it right now when you have all your tools over there and your stand. Well, a stand you could use. Not that one. Yeah, you know, when you do stuff like that, you got to go test it out. Is that going to get caught in anything? I don't think so. Anyway, we're going to go and test this little sucker out because we can. All right. And you guys are coming with me. That's right. This is what I'm up to today. We're actually going to go take a ride and have some fun. But first I want to test this out. So far so good. And we already have Wifey's bike loaded up on the Nerdmobile. Okay. And we had some trees recently trimmed, and I was able to make this little bike trail. It's dicey, but it's fun. Oh yeah. Try going up that. That's really fun. Oh, we are in 5th gear. Oh my goodness. Yeah, 5th gear is not the gear to be in. Alright, yeah, we won't try to go back up that. I might. Anyway, that's my new berm trail. My own private berm track. It was cheaper to have the tree company leave the chips, and what better way to do but make your own bike trail. Because this one's getting kind of lame down here. It's getting all flattened out. But you know I'm going to hit it anyway, right? Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's getting pretty lame. It's not even a challenge anymore. Okay, so far so good. So far so good. The chain bonks a little bit on the chain guard in low gear. It's just a sacrifice you have to make if you're not going to find a collegiate chain guard the right color. Then the chain's gonna actually slap a little bit. I'll show you when I stop up here. You know, it was a sacrifice. When I got this bike, the hub was burned up. Well, not burned up, it was just the 3-speed hub was just ridiculously worn, and I had a chance to part out another bike and use the parts on this one. Turned out pretty good. Oh, what's that little butterfly? Oh. Now our bell works. Hey, what the heck? We'll try to go up this berm. I don't think I'll make it on this bike, but I'll give it a shot. Oh. Not quite the bike for this. The berm pile still needs a little work. Okay, but the bell works. I should have rang the bell, I would have made it. Okay, so let's load this one up. We're ready. I'm going to call this ready for some off-road action. Yeah. You know what? Let's hit that downward berm pile one more time. I'm just so proud of my little homemade test track here. Let's hit it. Yeah. Schwinn racer collegiate action. Jump to that branch. Oh yeah. No problem. So yeah, when you do modify one of these, try to get the right chain guard, or you're going to have stuff like this happening. Yeah, it just got greasy. Great. Anyway, yeah, over rough stuff, it's going to hit a little bit right there in first. Just the way it is. Get the right chain guard. Don't do what I do. Nice bike. This thing is 60 years old this month. And we're going to go take it for a ride. Okay, see you out there. It's going to be fun. I'll get some downhill shots. It'll be fun. Thanks for tuning in, and 1 or 2 seconds for you. In about an hour, we'll be in Bent Creek having fun. We're bringing you along because we're nice. Okay, have a good day. And here we are. Welcome, part 2. Got a bell. Is your Schwinn racer lagging in performance? Do you need to upgrade? Upgrade to collegiate parts. Alright. I'll show you guys where we're at. This is where it's at, man. We're gonna go down here. Wait, where are we going? Oh, I think we're going down there. Okay. All right. We'll sign off for now.